Keeping you up and running is our top priority and is the driving factor in the introduction of SICKConnect, our new remote support platform. SICKConnect is a collection of tools that combine to create a virtual interactive presence for a deeper level of product support. The suite of tools includes merged reality, video, and remote screens to provide a powerful troubleshooting experience. Traditional remote support leans heavily on written and spoken word. SICKConnect expands into visual tools, adding visual interaction into support, reduces time to resolution, and increases remote solve rate. Immersive technology allows the SICK technical customer care agent to quickly get up to speed and understand the situation. The web-based application allows instant use without downloading a separate application and includes merged reality and telestration, image sharing, among other features. Remote screen control allows SICK technicians to view, analyze, and adjust parameters for connected devices. All of this leads to increased first-time fix rates, increased remote fix rates, and decreased downtime.